niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit.
Hey my forevers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am getting ready to go see Wendy Williams. She is on tour and she is about to give me life. She's about to be funny. I'm excited. Last year I saw her for my birthday. This year it's a whole different thing. So I'm excited. I'm excited. You should be excited too because you're gonna see me get ready. Anywho, cue the music.
Shake it fast. Watch yourself. Shake it fast. Show me what you're working with. Shake it fast.
Not that music.
for children.
Hey you guys, so I am on, it's on my YouTube. Hey you guys, so I am on my way there to see Wendy. I'm here in the car with my Uber driver. Don't you just love? I'll give you guys an update once I get there. I'll pan the line, I'll say hi to people. Hopefully I know people there because it's here in Atlanta, so.
You don't even got a friend up here. She said, do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
If we're not, which there's no possibility. How you doing? It's time for say it like you mean it. My favorite, Ask Wendy. Okay. The Wendy Show has been renewed to 2020. So grab a snack and come on back. I've been riding around on the donut of my car for 2 weeks because I can't afford a new tire. But my second job, I made $9,000 a year. I was working in DC, $9,000 a year. They called it a raise to give me $11,000 a year. So what do I need with kids? And furthermore, all right, I'm gonna move off that. I know there are a lot of young moms here, and good luck to you, but that wasn't my situation. Thank God. Okay, look. I'm explaining to you what it takes. Watch your friends.
That's right.
Your friends will get you in trouble.
I'm not wearing heels no more, because I heard you're not wearing heels no more neither. They hurt my damn feet.
Yeah, what happened? Because you were wearing them and he's not wearing heels anymore.
Yeah, no, it's just too much. And then everybody else is doing it, you gotta do something different. But what I have, I wear size 12. And it's hard finding some cute shoes. Like, where do you find them at?
Everywhere.
Not like some cute size 12s you can?
These are Saint Laurent's. They're size 11s, but they also come in 12s.
Well, the thing is that, you know, it's a lot of big feet girls out here. So it's hard to get them quickly.
No, you have to make a he's saying it's hard to get the big shoes quick, and I know exactly what you mean, because when you wear size 11 or size 12, your boutique might only have maybe 3 of that size. And once me and Paris Hilton get ours, and E.J. Johnson.
There's nothing left.
Then there's nothing left. But you have to make a contact at the store.
Gotcha.
So that your contact will call you at midnight if he has to, because he wants the commission on that sale. But everyone has them. Gucci, Manolo, all the good brands.
That is true, but then my foot is wide too. So I'm still because I tried to buy some boy shoes, but then boy shoes is way too big. So trying to find a wide woman shoe.
Coach makes a nice wide shoe. You have to go around and check, and also get with the leather spa or something like that. They put that on the stretch. Sometimes I have shoes on the stretch for like a week, just so that they'll be nice and stretched out when I wear them for the first time. Yeah.
So if y'all wear size 12 and live in Atlanta, I'm getting rid of my shoes. So y'all size 12 people.
It's nice to see you.
Baby.
Hi. Yeah, that shoe thing has become a bit of a... I borrow some money. Hey, how you doing?
How you doing?
Good. What's your name? What do you do? Where you from?
I'm Portia. I live here in Atlanta. I'm originally from Leavenworth, Kansas. I'm a flight attendant.
Nice.
So I have a question for you, Wendy.
Okay, Portia.
Recently, I went out with a friend to a speed dating event, and I...
Okay, wait. How old are you, Portia?
I am 30.
Okay, so Portia's a flight attendant, and she recently went out on a speed dating event. How old did you say you were? 30?
I'm 30, yes.
Okay, here we go.
All right. I went with a friend to be a wingman, and I seen a close friend's boyfriend there only seeking men. Should I tell her or mind my business?
Okay. Portia went speed dating. She's 30 years old. Last time she went speed dating, she saw her friend's best friend or your friend?
A close friend.
Close friend, okay. She saw her close friend's boyfriend speed dating, but only speeding and dating men.
Okay.
So your question to me is?
Should I tell her or just
Tell her the truth.
Did he see you? It ruined your night. Were you ducking from him all night?
Yeah, I was at the bar. I was looking.
And he didn't see you.
I don't know.
It's amazing.
Yeah. I switched up the girls, so he didn't know.
Are you prepared to lose the friendship?
That's where I'm at. I don't want to. She's a good friend.
Well, you're gonna lose the friendship anyway once she finds out that you were there, because I'm sure he saw you. I can't imagine that their speed dating event, she's sitting at the bar and he's speeding and dating, that he doesn't see you. I can't imagine that. Especially because you're a frequent visitor to their house. You're a close friend. He knows what you look like. We can switch up our wigs, but the mug is always the same. You know what I mean? I would tell her. And be prepared for her to call you a liar. Be prepared that even if she stays your friend, he will never want you around him. Be prepared for her also to keep him as a boyfriend after you give him the news. Keep him, because there's some women like that, you know. Hey, you know, if it works for her, then who are we to judge? Keep the mouth shut. Okay. Portia, I'm gonna ask our co-host. We're gonna get this right now.
Spill the tea. Spill the tea.
Clap if you think she should keep her mouth shut. Majority rules. Tell her. Tell her. You're very welcome. Right?
Say bye, you guys. Say bye.
Bye. So cute. You are so cute.
Thank you. Say bye, you guys. Thank you. Okay. Hey you guys, so this is the ending of the show. I am heading home.